The slide is slightly canted in order to deploy at a safe distance away from the engine. On the girt extension, close to the doorstep, are located the disconnect handle and a knife. The knife is on the left-hand side in a clearly marked pouch. A disconnect handle is located under a Velcro flap marked for ditching use. To release the slide, lift the flap, grasp the white handle and pull. Should the slide not drop immediately, push down on the girt extension. The daisy chain on the packboard releases and the slide is free to drop. The slide remains attached to the aircraft by means of a mooring line. This line must be cut by means of the hook knife.